This is from Diode Dynamics. I ordered it directly from them, and this is going to be on the fog lights. So I only opened the box and then thought, you know what, maybe I should do a quick unboxing video. So, all right. And definitely much bigger than what I thought this was going to be. I've ordered some of their pod lights and the box was much smaller. So this is definitely, it's impressive. I've got to say, you can see it's obviously boxed up very nicely, very securely. We'll put that off to the side. And as you can see, these are the 3-inch, the stage series. This is the Pro power level output, and these are in fact the fog lights. So let's take a look. These will be the fog lights for the 2021 round 4. I'll just open one of these up, and of course there will be an install video to follow, as well as a test of the lights. All right, and here they are. I've been looking forward to these for some time. Hopefully you guys can see that, and they look nice. I'm definitely looking forward to installing these. All right, so that's all we're gonna do for right now. Just the quick look at it. All right, and I guess we'll open up the second box just so we can see the contents here. And there we go. Basically some of the wiring harnesses, and this is supposed to be a direct fit to the round 4 factory fog lights, which fortunately mine was equipped with. All right, install will be coming next.